The first question is William Enthoven named PQRST because wife's name, father's name, GF's name, and none of the above. The answer is none of the above because the William Enthoven named PQRST because he wanted to start with O, but he did not want to start with 0, so he selected the next letter as P. The second question is, following are the secondary pacemakers except. We are given the option of sinus node, junction, ventricles, and none of the above. So definitely, I told you the secondary pacemakers are the junction and the ventricle. Except means the junction and the ventricles are the secondary pacemakers. So sinoatrial node is a primary pacemaker of the heart and it is not the secondary pacemaker of the heart. So the right answer is sinoatrial node.